If you are new to affiliate marketing, I'm about to share with you one of the best opportunities to start building a monthly residual income. What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer now. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. A lot of people talk about it. There's a lot of courses and programs about it, but we're going to keep it super simple in this video. And by the time you get done watching it, you will be ready to start building a monthly income. Now, the opportunity that I am talking about is called Nexus Rewards, right? If you've never heard of Nexus Rewards, you are watching the right video. You are going to be thanking me very, very soon. The opportunity that I'm talking about is called Nexus Rewards. If you never heard of Nexus Rewards, you should get real excited because this is one of the best opportunities out there today. Now, the opportunity that I'm talking about is called Nexus Rewards. If you've never heard of Nexus Rewards, today is your lucky day. Now, pretty much Nexus Rewards is a cash back and savings membership program. Now, it basically allows you the opportunity to build a monthly income just by referring the Nexus Rewards program to other people. So as a premium member of Nexus Rewards, you're going to be able to earn $10 monthly commissions for every person that you get to join Nexus Rewards. Now, the cool thing about this is to become a premium member of Nexus Rewards, it's only $21.95 a month, basically $22. All right. Now, out of that $22, you're going to get $10 out of that for every person that you bring in to Nexus Rewards. So why is that cool? $10, you might be thinking like, that's it, $10. But when you see how easy it is to promote Nexus Rewards because of the value that you're giving to people, right? You're giving people the ability to get cash back whenever they shop. You're giving people the ability to get discounts. You're giving people the ability to save on their monthly bills. And you're giving people the ability to build their own online business where they can earn a residual income. And you get all of this for $22 a month. So think about this. For $22 a month, you can have your own profitable online business with unlimited earning potential. So not only are you going to earn $10 a month for every person that you bring into Nexus Rewards, you're going to earn from the people that they bring in and those people bring in all the way 10 levels deep. Yes, it has that network marketing element to it, but that's just more money for you. So in my opinion, this is the perfect marriage between affiliate marketing and network marketing. So even with all of that being said, right, you're going to get $10 a month for every person you bring in, plus you're going to get money from all the people they bring in and so on and so on. Don't forget, right? Don't forget the apps that you get access to as a premium member in Nexus Rewards. You're going to actually be able to earn money from when your referrals use the apps inside of Nexus Rewards. Plus, you're going to be earning money and saving and getting discounts from the apps inside of Nexus Rewards. So hopefully you see all of the income streams and earning potential that being a premium member has. I say this is a gold mine for new affiliate marketers or struggling affiliate marketers because this is one of the easiest programs to promote. And you can actually start profiting from Nexus Rewards today by using the apps inside of your membership. I mean, it just don't get no better than this. I mean, damn. So enough with all the talking. It's time for you to start earning real money today. All you need to do is click the first link in the description of this video. And once I see that you're signed up, I will personally reach out to you and help you get set up and start building your monthly income. So I will see you on the team.